Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this HackerRank problem based on the string. Problem name is as given, strong password. First of all, I want to ask, what do you mean by strong password? Your answer should be a password which contains all mixed character with some length constant. Yes, in this problem statement we have to determine or find a given input as a string which will be given is strong password or not. If not, then how many character or constant is missing in the given strings. So let's move to the problem statement for better understanding and the clarification of the problem. Okay, Louis joined a social networking site to stay in the touch with her friend. With the sign up page required her to input a name and a password. However, the password must be strong. The website considers a password to be strong if satisfied the following criteria. Okay, this is the first criteria. Its length is at least 6 character. If you are choosing any password which length is at least 6 character, then only it would be acceptable, otherwise not. Second constraint is the it contains at least one digit. Digit means 0 to 9. It should contains at least one digit. It can contain more than one, but at least one. And third constraint is it contains at least one lower English character. Fourth is one at least one uppercase English character. It contains at least one special character. The special character are as given. Okay, not sign, at the rate, hash, dollar and percent, star, plus minus, and the opening and closing bracket. Yeah, you may see here number between 0 to 9, lowercase between English character, lowercase between A to Z, and the uppercase also A to Z, and the special character are given all this. So we need to check what the given input that we are choosing for the password is satisfying the all this condition or not. If not, then we have to return the number of missing conditions, or we may say criteria. The first line contains an integer n denoting the length of the string. Okay, the second line contains the string consisting of n character. The password type by Louis. Each character is either in a lowercase, uppercase English alphabet, a digit, or a special character. Okay, the length of the string the length of the string will be more than 1 and less than equal to 100. Print a single line containing a single integer denoting the answer to the problem. Like you may see here, this is the length of the string is given 3, and password is AB1. First criteria is the length of the password must be the at least 6 character. So here only 3 character is given, so we are returning 3 character is missing. For we can go through this explanation also. She can make the password strong by adding 3 character. Yeah, 3 character was missing in the given password. For example, $HK or any numbers and the special character which is missing, turning the password into AB1 $H and K. This password consists pass all the criteria, uppercase, lowercase, numbers and the special character also, and the length is exactly 6. So this password is acceptable. Let's move to the another simple input, hash hacker rank. Okay, length of the string is as given 11, but yeah, it passed the first criteria. Length is at least 6, would be at least 6 character. Here length of the string is 11, so don't need to check for the length. It has also a special character, uppercase, lowercase also, but it this password missing the numbers, so this is missing only one criteria, so we are returning 1. Let's move to the coding section. I copied some code to save our timing in the coding. Yeah, first of all, we will be given a string and we have to find out the length, uppercase character, lowercase character, numbers and a special character. If the given string is satisfying all these criteria, then this password would be acceptable. Otherwise we have to return the missing criteria or the length of the string is missing. Okay, so I am creating a character array for the, and I given a name as char upper. This array will contain the all uppercase character from A to Z. Okay, yeah, this is, I created another character array which contains all the lowercase character from A to Z. I name as given character lower. I also created another character array of digits digit which contains all the digits from 0 to 9. I created another character array symbols, and it will contains the all the symbols present should be present in the password. At least one means between all these uppercase, lowercase, number, digits and symbols, at least one from anyone should be present, then only password would be acceptable, otherwise not. So let's write the code for checking this criteria. I am creating an integer type of variable and naming as required, and initializing with 0. I am checking if password dot index of any. Index of any is a string function which will return index if any item found in the given string, otherwise it will return -1. Okay, like I am going to check with char upper. Okay, index of any function takes a character array as a argument, and it will check for the each and every element. If any of the element will is present in the given string, then it will return the that index, otherwise it will return -1. -1 means not none of the character present in this given array is present in this string. Okay, so I am checking is equal -1. If this none of the character is present in the given string, then only I will increment required by 1. I need to write the similar code like this line, so I am copying and pasting for multiple time. First I check for the character upper, so I am going to check for the char lower. Okay, now I am going to check for the digits, then after symbols. Okay, I check for the all the constant, but length is missing, so finally I am going to check and return if required greater than is equal to greater than 6 minus n, then required, otherwise 6 minus n. I am using ternary operator. It will returns required, otherwise if condition is true then required, otherwise it will return 6 minus n. So let's suppose a password of the length of the given password is 3, then and it contains the then it passed the all three like the given string is abi, let's write some comment, ab1. This string contains the uppercase character, lowercase character and number character, but it missing only special character, special symbols. But the length of this given length of this string is only 3, so it to pass the criteria length of this string must be the at least 6 character. So it missing only one case, that is the symbol is missing, but it also missing the 3 character. So whichever is a greater than, I am returning that one. Okay, let's run this code for simple test case validation. I hope it should pass. Yeah, it passed the simple test cases. Let's again submit for the final evaluation. Yeah, it passed the all test cases. You may see here, yeah, 89 test case was there, so it passed the all test cases. Still, if you having any problem or question related to this question, this problem, you may ask in the comment section or write to in my mail. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to share with your friend and hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.